Hi guys, welcome to video number 2 for the use of articles. If you haven't watched my first video, go back, watch the first video where I cover the rules and the guidelines for when to use a, un, the, or when to use no article. This video is for practice. So let's start with these two where we're going to decide if I need the article a, which is non-specific, it's just in general, meaning one thing, singular, or the, which is a specific, right, noun. Here we have a picture of downtown Los Angeles in California. I used to live there, so I saw this all the time driving around. You need car if you live in Los Angeles. You need a car or you need the car. In this case, it doesn't matter what kind of car you get. It could be an old car, a new car, red car, blue car. It could be a Honda, a Ford. I mean, it could be a truck or a van or a motorcycle. It doesn't really matter. So it's non-specific. We're going to use the article a. You need a car. A meaning one. So you don't need 2 cars. You don't need 5 cars. That's too many. But you need 1 car if you live in Los Angeles. It's a big city, walking. It's too far to walk anywhere. The buses and trains don't go everywhere and they take a long time. They're very slow. So really, you need a car if you live in Los Angeles. Now, Alice has new car. I saw it yesterday. Okay. Would we say a new car or the new car? Now, again, Alice bought a car. She bought 1 car. It's a new car. It doesn't matter what kind of car, when it's not important to say what kind of car. I'm not talking about a specific car. She just bought 1 new car. So I use the article a. Try the next few on your own. Pause the video. Decide if it's a or the. So we're looking at those 2 articles, specific the or non-specific a. And then we'll check the answers. Okay, good luck. Pause. Okay, let's see how you did. Okay. Now, we said that Alice bought a new car yesterday. Now we're talking about Alice's car, so the car that Alice bought. Okay, we're talking about Alice's car. It's a specific car, so it's the. Okay. Now, I prefer a big car because I'm a big guy. So again, not talking about any specific car, just a bigger car. I'm a big guy. I want a big car. Mom, where did you park the car? We use the because I'm talking about our car. Mom, where did you park our car? The specific car, right? I parked the car around the corner. So when we talk about our car, the one that belongs to us, we often will use the phrase the car. Okay. I left my backpack. Okay. Again, I probably mean my car. I left my backpack in the car. Okay. I'm talking about the specific car. Did you lock it? Yes. Here's the key. Again, I need to unlock my car, so I don't want a key. A key just means give me any key. I don't want any key. I want my car key. I want a specific key. So please give me the key. Here's the key. Okay. And number 6, thanks, Mom. I'll be right back with the key. Again, the key, I'm talking about the car key, right? We could say the car keys, the house keys, okay, the office keys, but the specific key for whatever specific lock that I'm working on. Did you get them all right? Yeah, I know you did. Okay. Let's look at a couple more examples. Okay, now let's look at plural nouns. If it's a specific plural noun, just like the specific singular noun, we'll use the article the. But if it's non-specific, I'm just talking in general, we don't need an article. I can't say or un because that means one, and we're talking about more than one plural. Okay? So let's look at these examples. Okay, they'll have the, or they won't have the. So what is happening in these sentences? What are they talking about? Number one, Timmy didn't eat the vegetables on his dinner plate last night. Is the speaker talking about vegetables in general, or is the speaker referring to specific vegetables? Okay, and we look on this sentence here, we see the. That really tells me these are specific. Okay, which vegetables? If it's specific, I can identify them. Why they are the vegetables that were on Timmy's dinner plate last night. So I'm talking about Timmy's vegetables. So number one, I want to click on specific vegetables. Number two, be sure to include plenty of vegetables in your diet. They're good for you. So I want you to have a good diet, eat lots of vegetables. Which vegetables? It doesn't matter. I am talking about vegetables in general. Okay? Just eat some, please. So you could put a some here. Get some vegetables, or they say plenty of vegetables. It doesn't matter. Broccoli, cauliflower, it doesn't really matter. Get some vegetables. Okay? Gold is a valuable metal. Gold is a non-count noun, so there's no plural form. I can't say golds, and I can't say a gold. So we have a non-count noun, gold, and I'm talking about gold in general. All gold, any gold is valuable, so I don't use the gold. But in number 4 here, I see that word the gold in my wedding ring comes from South Africa. Here we want to switch. The speaker is talking about specific gold. So when someone says the gold, I can always ask the question, which gold? I can identify it. Which gold am I talking about? The gold in my wedding ring. Okay? Makes sense? Okay, so for this next exercise, we'll look at these 10 sentences and you decide if it's specific, in which case we need the word the, or it's non-specific, or just speaking in general. Pause the video here, read these 10 sentences, and then we'll check your answers, okay? Good luck. Hi, you back? You ready to check your answers? Okay. David grows roses in his garden. Non-specific. Which roses are beautiful? The roses in David's garden are beautiful. So I'm talking about specific roses. Okay. The doctors at University Hospital are the best. Which doctors are the best? The doctors at University Hospital. Okay. Doctors have to study in medical school. Which doctors? All of them have to study in medical school. So doctors. Number 5, about 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. Just water in general. Okay? But number 6, I'm not talking about water in general. I'm talking about the water in the Dead Sea. So that's specific seawater. Dead Sea. Number 7, James is studying history at the University of Chicago. It's a subject in school. Which history is, just history in general. But in number 8, Louise is studying the history of the French language. So now I have a specific history, right? Number 9, I like the people in my office, right? Those are not all, I don't like everybody. I don't like all people, but the people in my office are nice. My coworkers, I like them. Okay. Carl is an extrovert. He likes people. Here we're talking about in general. Carl he's a friendly guy. He likes people. How did you do? You get them all right? Yeah, you did, right? Okay. If you got any of these wrong and you have a question, please leave a comment for me.